Mr. Former Chelsea manager Frank Lampard so no Norwich team no him so ran bepa na face wa be come atwebodu de afiremu na face wa promo ni bire so na ne aman so de call Norwich team no into report we to dwa no Mr. Frank Lampard Chelsea former manager no so returning into the English Premier League no na face wa be fa Norwich adwuma no na bibia so de so kama na so de tumi de amaye tiefo na Roberto Martinez so de senkane no manager Edema Everton team no awura no say no head coach at the Belgium national team report about so dey kire mu say in Aston Villa juma no answer no run the Roberto Martinez Belgium national team coach no ono na ene so no oba no be juma no bom area Aston Villa tene no the phone na etwagu Facebook azi who you heavy papa Roberto Martinez so the phone da wa owura no so na ekeka akose ne no answer na Aston Villa team no owura no so no eba be for na mom no report ne Misaka na Gazeta de la Sport report no HM Steven Gerrard so likely say Aston Villa juma no ono so ne sabe tuma kan tene no former Liverpool player onu bisa Brandon po juma and so the Liverpool team no or a legend so our Liverpool say no Okochi Rangers team no na report about kire say Steve Gerrard so and so na Aston Villa juma no yan so ya de babe mano na ne ma so tuma koso Villa Park say Dean Smith coach no ono se tuma pamano SF wonte wo be ya so bi bam ne ma so tuma fa edema Aston Villa team no intene no Steven Gerrard former Liverpool player no so ba be fa juma no na ne ma so tuma koso edema Aston Villa and report Okoman 97.1 yan so ya report and so na tumi ade atu ye tiefu anim na yenko Chelsea akache no Thomas Tuchel so no kire Mr. Brenton dey and so ne Saúl guest tenie Saúl guest onu se Chelsea for akofa Brenton no and so na dey fi Atletico Madrid team no and so team dey be pay mo awo ye Chelsea Stamford Bridge teye Saúl and telephone betu atwa go na Chelsea for so hu Thomas Tuchel kire Mr. Brenton no and Mr. Wasase emunemu na Chelsea akache okoteni na wakum na nim aso ni coach ni wasem wona wotati ase so titi mitimi be na ko ka che me say no me hu hia asafo arade internet sama bana me boy juma de Chelsea a me hia playing time enye de bia na metra pen so tia say eto de bi kura na o hwe squad a o de call game a me Saúl no anya de me ka o internet a Branton de ade Saúl gas so akire mu a o re ne de Thomas Tuchel no ono o re ne ntumi for no Branton de ade Saúl gas so no e fan to bench sa e san so no top player so tia say who call the Spanish national team a Branton de Saúl gas no and then who here I was spending to know on no there or call ya chere head coach and dey ade Thomas Tuchel say on you ready so about the bench and so let me the Chelsea team no and then some Branton de Saúl gas hey from so to Paul associate betuma pa and so no Branton akatia o chere so do training guys right at here yes Branton Saúl o do training guys and we muna nim tie we kun nim obi nso obi anim and then nyama Branton no enso na ye enso no ewo na etima de ne Chelsea akache ne yemfi Chelsea na fesu ko piemo ewo Italy dia all ladies of Italian soccer Juventus akache ya ne no ye de nsam na free wo enso na de ma hunim sa Branton de ade Aaron Ramsey enso na midfielder eni opo enso de ma Juventus Branton if you Arsenal and be 2 seasons so ade ma Juventus team no na report ba enso na kire mu se eprano do so enso na Aaron Ramsey akache entian 20 year January and so Branton did Aaron Ramsey and so ye Bobby Jan Kwan and so no let me at the free Juventus team no and reporter in the Daily Mirror so no at the buy and so ye my 14 ye chirem a free transfer and then a deal that Branton did Aaron Ramsey so no ye dey have fun ho that first so Branton put a team and so that me the free Juventus team no internet team Samunya players no Montien ye Aston Villa mo Watford mo Newcastle ne Sikaba Ben Sama mo Manchester in January so no Aaron Ramsey so no ubetima kofa no so be pm wo mutim ntene free transfer January reporter Misaka no kire mu say Aaron Ramsey ono so betima bunaketem and so na to me the free Juventus team no and then some yes no yetumi adi to jam and so na ma yetie for there Manchester United Ole Gunnar so say yapa ye kire mu say Branton de Paul Billy Pogba Pogba kwotena be bi so say drinking sport bi and o ka chere na for say once I coach na friend ole no sabi papa no abon onimhwe ya players aye use ya one den enti ene nkoma Paul Abile Pogba enso na twa kodi drinking sport bia eno so na beto twa Chelsea Pogba kiremu a taxes ori ani den Eddie Ole Gunnar so say ebo United aka no ensem fata team no enti ne ori ani sabi ni nim de esara wo form modern mo ni soro Kwame United team no enso na ntumi fa no to papa enfefre eba ne sen ana ne no Arsenal kura tumi betwa United after be 9 matches no and Arsenal so no etumi betwa United and so no the English Premier League mo enti Paul Abile Pogba and o kire mu say ori ani de Ole Gunnar so say no modern money form enti de ankobe sere mpanyifo say ne Glazer family no amu wo ori ani kunsa enso no entimi enfan free Manchester United team no and so ne sama and so ne pa yanso ne yatumi to yetiefo ni ne no yanto so na fan sam ne bi enfan brade ya Brendan Rodgers so no wonu so manager and so the Leicester City team no reporter Minsaka kire mu say ori ano say onya move bia ono so betima ye enso no team ani din Leicester City so na akate reporter Minsaka kire mu say Brendan Rodgers so no anhwe ni ya na fe so na Brighton no so ori ano ba be fi Leicester start say no so no January etima ko just say bia na Manchester United juma no etima beto ho enso no etima dia mano enti enene reporter eno so banamper wanko United bia na Newcastle enso no ori ano betima ko but Newcastle dey on atonsuo tienie atonsuo esan say ori ani dey enso no Eddie Wob enso no etima pa ono ba be take juma no na niam so no etimi akoso enso no etimi ama Newcastle team ni Brendan Rodgers kire ma ansha anye general end of the season no ono so betimi free Leicester City team no and so reporter and so no Thomas Tepate Brighton no na enam from so pra and reporter ba Arsenal doctors no e dey atuja kiremu Brighton pra internet here dia ono so ba na face international break no ono so no etimi abesi aka internet reporter and so no pa insam no doso na mom ne accept na fata so no and then so no yare entino but what's the fire no course writer Facebook for no
yes
omu bufaso entino omu join live
Facebook yes live for Facebook flight to Sana
97.1
you know be na wiem
me say boss say 1 p.m. yes take your waves no amam for Ghana amam for bufaso omo ni radio tua be omo nyonko echeseria on sere o radio no phone no on fan to 97.1 na me tie
yes omo like and share
mommy ebiem Pentecost opposite
okay
mommy ebiem
mommy na last time no
yeah mommy ebiem a chese amam for abe good sport nenim wow tie show no
mommy brutal
mommy heavy
mommy brutal
pa mommy Samson house for sport so no boys na twesi a ho
mommy brutal
yes cause am Kwame aka mfodi no it is the boys na twesi a omu monitor show no
tell me brutal but sometimes do a month here I so call a Cove Town that kind of straight sport be on my me who sport
ni di on
me refi sport ni di
omu man yenti omu
yes omu monitor show from afar
yenti omu man
me say man fi bula sport on mo say bemza yes kwanu mo pe yes omu monitor
okay
bia betwe bia mo say da ho de bia da boys say brutal ndi entia guess no more sport ni mo no mo yes omu ye ti omo
okay. I say Sandra Maku. I say today is my birthday. Listening to the show live from Pentecost.
Sandra. Oh, Sandra, happy birthday to you.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Today is my birthday.
Wow.
Listening to the show live from Pentecost.
Then you are going to sing happy birthday for him. You sing happy birthday for him?
Voice.
You sing.
Makaya Kaya.
Okay.
Makaya Kaya. Okay. Man fi Bula Sport.
And ebe hon na meka no. Omo biem.
Chalman for take here with so. Okoman take here with so.
Yes. Yes, if you can beat a join.
A driver phone is to tear so no. A driver phone in a taxi drivers.
I'll be a brutal.
Okoman Global Sport.
Omo fendi who station okra mo biem. Omo brutal.
Master Chekwa. Atikwa biem ana afin so. Saluni. First class boutique.
Oh.
First class boutique.
Ow.
CEO Madam Vic Oma biemu.
O de guess na.
Oma guess na biemu.
Guess be.
Guess na biemu.
Papa for me ka.
Me say guess na biemu mo tie show no.
We say uti guess the beti.
Oma ya heavy.
I go uti guess the beti.
First class for oma biemu, oma biemu. Oma biemu.
Oma join na me be real local na o. IF tieni pa mami o. Tieni pa mami. IFFHS.
Oma say dey.
The all-time Ghana men's dream team na ba. And what thing?
There's a Ghana. If you say you Bob Bravo Chroma Blasters, you Bob Brano.
Since 19 Kojo ho. The dream team na ba.
Dream team.
Yes. Champion. Producer and also head of sports.
No Korea.
I know the mouse writer. Gina Kakum. And to mo ko Facebook no. Yes, almost say Dao Kama. Dao Kama papa.
Only company and Ajuma ko ni
Adriana yes.
Only me Adriana for dream team bra.
For also dream
all time Black Star 11.
Also for bra. Or the back in Kadia ma.
Heavier. Say a good Black Star for Lacha.
Super Fabi.
Yeah, Tony.
Alaji Agasa o.
Alaji Gusta.
Alaji Trevor no mo ko rini. Alaji Ababa Gaza. Oh my Gaza.
Tony fine too. Tony fine too.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And DJ can want. The erection more. I say a day what dog can want. And DJ can want. The erection more.
Entino writer.
Super.
Hey, my boss. Black is king.
Black is king.
I'm in Paris now, watching you live on Facebook. That's Black is king.
Black Lele play all Paris Lele. What different?
Let me.
What different?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Ça va?
Oh, ça va très bien, merci.
Elle play Lele.
Massa.
On va French.
Entino Paris for no monitor show no. Paris for no. I monitor all the way from France. I monitor show. Samsung Italy for no. Grace Obede. Vicenza. I monitor show no Italy. And I feel so no. Sana Pamela. Our London. I also monitor show no.
Who is he?
Sana is she.
Who is
Sana Pamela?
Is she or he?
Monitor show no.
She or he?
Entino writer.
Super. To was wait here. I call it baby is here. Mami chia OJ. Oh yeah, my monitor show na. Yes, OJ na DJ so intino. Yanko no. Intino. What me for fisherman to so Jamaican so and farmer generative from here still. Okoman 97.1 flight netu enti na mwiasia fa na nyina Okoman so no enya fe dia katronia no so nkantrenia as a flight netu sana so one journey na dwumedie no akoye something which is that Okoman so no enya fe dia gromedino added the writer commentator it Santico patient. Yes, independent Kotiasis and the Stars Yanshans and Asentem Panfan free the senior national team, the Blasters of Ghana and Ra. One more Andy Bobo Quadin at the Golden Kicks at the Ayonko Faken Series in terms of Ninia. Aya preparation ahead of their World Cup qualified game against Bobo Quadin at the Ethiopian Ram. Ghana, Yotumia Se Kanunuma, one more so Etumia team by Quabrantian team at the Richmond Boacheyadom, Ebo Tugo Salso, and a Brantian team at the Jordan Ayu. Tienia Mame, Jordan Ayu, Etumi Ebo. Go Sasuna Kalib Ekuban Abdul Fattah Ishaku the wonder boy. Yes, Abdul Fattah Ishaku Wanoshu Ebogo Edema the senior national to the Blasters of Ghana Hankomasonom Anya Fidiagro Yami Aduma Thursday Yanibobo Kwadi at the Ethiopia 1 p.m. Our South Africa one home grounds and in terms wa Hankomasono Anya Fidiagro Ghana Yawo Air Group Gin South Africa our 10 points Ghana Etoso Ejemienu our 9 points Ethiopia our 3 points Saso and Zimbabwe our 1 point one more anya Fediagro Yantif the senior national soccer team the Blasters of Ghana Niantin Tomu ewo the CAF Women's Champions League na draw Penny Ebeshe ewo Egypt na komo so anya Fediagro fa krome bia obiase du esanse Bokwadi e the Azakes ladies etumi eche Bokwadi e the AS Mendy ebon economy ensa wono so entumi ensima braka brante ati e the eye Evelyn Bedu ababo e hwa so far na mbonebo asase sonia e koma so no anya Fediagro after the game already. Are you see Basiki head coach Edema Zakes the Bapede Koma Kradiaba. I say yes, opponent. AS Mendy for no air margin so may rough. Now so much from said Charlie, we are rougher. Yeah, rough. Yeah, you tell some already. Eddie Yusuf, Eddie Tuja.
I would say that our opponent is Monday. They came with a mindset that is to frustrate our tactical play. So at a point it worked for them, but for experience that we have, we were able to get all that we needed because they came with a different mindset, and you see that they were frustrating our game. So our game was not flowing, but all the same, we did the needful.
Into way ane Komakra head coach Adam Abobo Kwadin Ari Azakes lady so radin Ari Mr. Yusuf Bazigi Wadiapa yes the Emma Genete Funadi Tuja as an last gamer one more Andy Bobo Kwadin Adi Aya without FC the very in terms so that game no it's a Bobo Kwadin Adi what did FC no one more hour 3 points one sample points Adi Akano Azakes ladies all your margin say matches in here Omberini our group stage in the moon now game no there ebe so tough Edema 2 teams no.
I know they are going to approach the match with all seriousness, and we are also going to consolidate our lead. So, in as much as they need to win, we also want to win, so that we consolidate our lead and then also keep our confidence level very high.
And to way ane Komakra ade Mr. Yusuf Baziki what you buy the Emma Genete for na Abobo on the team ade Aya Evelyn Beiru Abobo is so far the 2 matches so abono Abobo to me at a woman of the match me know ade esina so na Abobo dey betuja I say yes she is so very exciting, very enthusiastic and all that this thing he dedicated this award to his teammates and also his family.
Today I'm really excited for winning the match for the second time, and I dedicate this award to my teammates, the clinical team, my mom in the house.
I say Aya 4 goals, Southern at 6 points, and watch woman of the match Aya Mienu, LDC Naswa, and Okoman and Fediagona area and Abobo Kwadin came Foisa. It's me to Falcodoma and Adriana Stars they call in time. So Ghana Premier League match day 2 Ebom were coming and son. One more ultimate team Akona after Reno, Edmo and a bank roller, Edmo Abobo Kwadin, Eric came Foisa, Oradin, Adi Alaji Karim Gusma paid in Komakra I say yes, after serving by no or Dakra to win that he can't sleep. He's so exciting. That Bobo Kwadin Eddie Adriana Stars. Alaji Cruiser in common in here.
And that's Manjamanda. Happiness in those. I do. And Yampupon, no, my Yami Boad and Obuano. Wisdom, Ama, Jimmy, I a good selection. I started. Who respected the more than Kim Faisal? And I wouldn't make him Faisal. Who wouldn't make him Faisal? Kim Faisal, Yachi, Inshallah. Wouldn't I don't know go pay the Domavo. Yeah, it's Ghana for.
Inshallah, into Alaji Karim Gruza, come on and run. No, the Emma Genete for the Sunday Tuja. I say yes, Omu aim no as a top for no. Ombe buvdemu na leg na kra rade ema mo leg na ombeje but has ne kotoko omi ya wana omu yobia
top 4 top 4 but top 4 you say nya you bompa you say nya me be my league kotoko beti me atunta de na nya me pese oye nya me pese you Ghana ya no say Ronaldo wendi hini we ni patietia Ghana nyina ni patietia no na di hini nya me pese odi hini ndi ye ni jidi say we beti ma chiche na yo nya me de se hini enyo kotoko house for nka omu ntimi ye say nya me de we yeah, the amount we na yeah was son ye amount.
Eti Alaji.
Right there. Hey, Alaji can't say more.
Yes, also your cousin. Yes, I can't say pa.
Also David.
Okay, was that it to ja? As a ball game now. My bad race Alaji, Obiba, Alaji and all fast.
Na miniano me nana no na ye no mo zongo o mun kai se ye bibia this ahabaya ka ho o remember pa Alaji guru me wafa Alaji guru me papa embo no ngi pa so o mu ba o mun tia o de place no o me fe o mu e tia o mu ka o mu ji bi ni mbo no
But me alaji ya.
Ah yes. Ana over because alaji.
Over.
Hey, you grow my boys be free oh. Be free, you know. Alaji, you know. Alaji, come on.
Alaji say on the players and we need one of the discount it here.
Yes, and our own face came to you here. And no. Ghana Football Association. Area Santi true. Okay. Thomas Tepate injury no. Papa no. Edin koma credit by Yentie abro kasa afa Thomas Tepate injury no.
Arsenal ne what for against you know when to me and CB Arsenal manager Mikel Arteta Ekasaye immediately after the match Emma reasons in here Thomas Entumi and Siaka and you know as a responsible FA get in touch with the club and also speak to the player to really know the real situation on the ground. What I can say is that he requested a Omra for further assessment. I'm not too sure if he can make it to join us for South Africa match. But what I know is that he will be in the country. Arsenal for medics now are assuring they are working very hard to get him fully fit. If it me Enyano and Sana hallelujah. If not, me I am available for Kwesiada match against South Africa. If it's not a situation, it is yes, I can confirm that Arsenal for our tight groin injury.
And okay, anon come so no ntino ye be se ba mo ko Facebook na o mo drop it one all time Ghana best dream team and as a best 11 o mo tie ne pa International Football Federation of History and Statistics all time Ghana men's dream team goalkeeper ni nie o mo tie ne pa mame the late Robert Mensah. Ono that go post one no.
Onna yi say okobobo ajo shi.
Yes, ajo shi no. Yes, no. Kodwa Samoa ben. Ah.
Gana Kodwa Samoa.
Gana ada obrafa. Gana Kodwa Samoa.
Yo.
Zigiri tu adi atutu. That's okay. Bakunie James Kukudazi. Samuel Kufo. Jimano Ofe Ansa. Ibrahim Sunday. Michael Asian. Abedi Pele. Abdul Karim Razak, Mohamed Polo, Tony Jeboa. No Steve Napier, no Baby Jets as a so the Akakan to Fakao. And to way International Football Federation of History and Statistics. One more all time.
Reverend Sekofianka.
Dabi Reverend into Opache say Reverend on another time no year. Into Reverend one shot Ibrahim Sunday ne be tunifio. And say their prime now Ibrahim Sunday no on your man nebo those kind of yes. And the audience na ba Sule Nkambi. You know
Asian woman
Sule nim Steve Napier nim baby get Sule chips are nim because yes and I me Thomas na me share chips are me ye we no chale
oh no we na
me midfielders one of the best midfielders with Kuma
receive chips are
it's very serious super serious nti ano come I don't know nti no ko Facebook Okoman 97.1 YouTube iTunes Instagram Twitter baby ano okwa say bibia do kama also drop it
social media baby just
I any breaking story okwa baby events am also be yes any breaking to no so beto do dream team
e
dey ato e bantama AK e betra ase atia kenkan
WhatsApp no so
yes
0551
66
77 55 0551
66 77
55 omo form dream team no so fan
fa enti eno no e brendo omo san ba tumi afre wo so do enti omo tonto enye brendo na efiance no be afre say the number ya calling is busy obi afre oyeya enti no super my face bi di no the writer commentator Santi Cooperation in the Pelmcotiasis in the stories AK air drive here I'm a piasono it will super it take over
and you know writer and I'm saying kano yana say ne fisam no ono so no watumi ede aba na bra Kwame dada ba I see you guys are taking over yes and you know and then we are taking over so that Tony you were sorry now the no jam kwa why taking over no and you know we are taking over and also to me the aba sound so na okay we Kaya I say Manfibula Sports listening to you guys live also and Tiencha Bula Sports for Manfi Yakupo Nshira mo heavy power Kwabena Majesty I say solid show by all standard so no so the more fire no and so no to me out to ho na okay Mackenzie Sazi Praise. I say keep it up. Today is my birthday. Listening to you live from Pentecost. My name is Sandra, and you know you're wishing a happy birthday. Amunya monitor show no, and so Nana Asari from Pong. I say nice show. Watching you live from Fotobi Equiapim. I love your show, and I am the general manager of Fotobi FC. Okay, Fotobi Mine FC. Okay. You're trying to so no. You're saying you come out also in the chat talents near there. And you know, also at the Nediaba. I'm forcing. I see watching you live from Nkrakan. And also show no. Yakupon Shan Bibre. Lie boyo Banque. Yes. I see watching you live from Bema Camp. Next on also no military man. Miami no know. Lie. That's someone just show no from Bema Camp. And also Shana Fin so Black Skin. I say I am in Paris now. Watching you live. Let's say and Chelsea no I don't know back okay Chelsea Ekins yes also no Toronto a movie called Paris and monitor so just want to me ko nja so no enti you kwa on Facebook no aka dia tum let's say monitor so no say Enkum Pablo Nicholas or say more fire and confirm by the Solomon and also the media banner #Okoman Global Sports and Okrobia Santin so from afar and so the niama etutum #Okoman Global Sports on also there about more fire and farmer Krobia Santa Abeja for papa the fresh atena say Samson and Neno Kwame Serega and so no and never say United just come on na United team no United for are for be fine
Bibia say AK
yeah right you fine fresh
I'm AK
it's all catch it
Diamond man
it's all catch it where you nyama Scan by where you mama
Diamond
just come back now there to anymore no Obedi nhwe no mo buy Tony bon buy mommy na we need the money back say be fine
Diamond Bibia say ye me nua
okay
Bibia say ye
welcome
senior
say be fine
let me adom
okay weekend here intimacy weekend here intimacy but weekend need be here
promise
say be near my soon
promise Diamond man
but the women's football Azaka's ladies so far African Champions League in terms of women's football 2 matches we're winning in 6 goals are considered 1 goal fresh mamisha same few when you say one monitor Champions League a man there no and generally you share my football the way you treating okromwa they be ameka me say man na mo you fan share man ma you call 2 matches we winning that's I say can you invest in women's football na you say benya bi papa and so to me the film me dey mo gidi say you invest in the women's league the benya bi papa e dey film and you know we talk on women's football me ma 5 minutes
AK me any kind and French MT for biom na me chi abra bi o asenama e friend na vi George da bia fidie ne de Okoman ha no ma o se minu ya metie mo enti na mo chi am kakra na wi ye chi ano AK e ma ball ye di kan ho sem bebrain say Ghana ha kwan ye de e ma ball e fa so ne de nya de e boa because o hwe e kwan a yesoso mema na so na ye qualify to for tournament na niema ntimi nko yi emfa mai na still na yeguso eto ye sika den egum no I think say aban abatwam aban abako nyina eki ye ma football na omadi enwambo kakra omadi enwambo fi pete pepe aban aba 2006 ye nyina trans ehu say emema ball no ye hia e wose ye ko World Cup am discussion ampa Ghana ye qualify for World Cup for that time ya try bia say betimi age Cup of Nations but still no enya de niema koyie e de ama eki ya try 2008 ye hosu ye but still Ghana yantimi anje with current coach ya na de yenkoye yantimi anje eto aso 2010 eniema nkoyie ato aso abi pemene amena oti enti eki wo hwe sika ye de ahye mema ball mu e wo krom ha na se enne akodu emri bia wo say ema na so ye ka o kakra na still mpanyifo agudnua e de agu o masom de na think say eniema nkoyie because as a ministry they all what them I can see a yes in nyina it's not emema ne nkwade say Ghana akwa football nation no because ema yi na ebo Ghana ame ekọ World Cup kane ema no ebo ame ekọ World Cup kane ansa na ebeti Ghana ye din no ema yi a enti se na mremu ye o na se yenya team bi a ono so ye bo women's league ewo Ghana ha no otimi bo no modern ekọ abibrem ekodi nkonim ati oman Ghana nim na ame no ka se team no da so ewo abibrem ha no esi akan ama 2 matches otimi awini ni nyina na se next na yenyanti bibia mfi ministry na na sempo Ghana Football Association nchen se ema yi sabe ni amu ye yinti after say ma winning match mienu ana se mu winning bonus enie na nke e de mama yi ni etimi e de ginger man no se na be ya eke tournament na ye wo mu no ye betimi adi nkonim because yesi bibia ni wo se wo de bo obi aba so ne se SMS jiwe kakra she obotom sabe e kom di obi na oba ofie besra eke na unya chi ane pe michi SMS mi ana michi obi a ofie a sabe enye sa de na be ma nipa na men ohia bi kakra enti se mai akodu tournament yi ase na 2 matches ya tumi awini ni nyina the first nation ya tumi age ana se club a ya kan so tumi a qualify for the semi final of the tournament nenne Ghana still na yenyanya eye chese say ye cho bibi kura de abo ma yi aba so kura yenyanya bi enfi Ghana Football Association na sempo Ministry of Youth and Sports ne nchen sempo sabe ma ya de na mpo se ska bi mpo emaya yegusu adwem ho se ye bepa bi kakra ye den e de amam enche mbeti yenka ba yeke wenyu emu bi anya den esiye wo hwe ekwan ye fa so run ema football okromu a se ye bebo league mpo se ma yi benya sponsorship te se dia mama impo apri mama impo na abreke enti ama ibe da nya sponsorship se na be ya ye teams ne so ebetimi apabne ma ye tournament ani amatimi akonanim e dia man etu di se ne ma yi atoto hwe facilities a ama yi esi akan wo so a enye na sentem impo ni anya astrotef enkete yi a yesisi ni bia anka eke still ba bia ma no kra bobo na ho ye den e de man wo kromu a na wo hwe astrotef na ya ye ne so a enye FIFA standard pitch enti wo hwe sa niema nyina na se ye ma ball no ye hwe nim se omo beko adinkonim di abran ye wo kromu a na edu fan na se de cap ne bade a ni aka se de ni kochi o mampanyi ana se mpanyi fo sori akochi o mo airport eno ne ye pe wo kromu a eke enti ye hu se ma ball na ye ni kromu a de ase agro bi ne yedi because enya de ma no chese ye ball mo ama mo dai so ma bam medical ka say eye talent dey obi okromu a enfa say ye man na say mema ye obi because ocean kan bi a atwa mu no nanka countries ketwa bi anase kuma bi ananka Africa anu ye kan ma footballer nanka omuwom kakra Ghana kan obeti Nigeria anka any other countries and then me no ka say countries are near ni mo ewo women football mu nyina ayeden eba mu because of eye kwan papa on panyifo ayeden ade awon hyehye na agu our planning for the future for the ladies and now say me no tie kromu a ni say ye ball na ye adwuma ana say agudie no ni Ghana ye ni agye ho pa ni da so ti kromu a na say ema e tournament na ema no enim eke say tro ana say taku ana ebi amu wini wa match amu benya te say na ema no de ye timi twa $15,000 e de to for just a game no na say na me no ti kromu a ye nim ni ema ni benya. Now, after so much me after how be brain nyinamu, so benya baby Persia can na asefo nyina. Ama Hazakes ladies akodu tournament yase win 2 matches. We first club o matimi win adu semi final stage na. Ye hwade mu so betimi win next game. Akọ final akọji kru anaba. Eti eke, se yese ye be ma football okromu ade a. E wo say mpanifo tenase. E planning for the women's team no. Ada say ye league na ye bona na sempo Black Queens and I say a man nyina eke I was say planning epe pitches papa ye hwehwe ne mamu eke epe technical handlers ebetimi abo ma no na ene other countries na timi compete wo enti eke me dem anu si ye ma abo no
ope ma sempa
se eke e ma de
ka o kasa nya wani abre
e ma de akwa bi na e kan na so say women are sweet Emma dear, we you must feel Oh, men pay master. By my dear, was say what one on pay master, my dear.
Nka so pay master, so pay ma on.
Dabi anu dear dabi. Aha. Oh, one on pay master. I say ye pay master. Aha. Inti Emma or how be brain. Or how be brain. Ah.
Don't bobo on this and everything. Aye.
Oche.
Be what? Aye. As I guess ladies team no more. Boedua. Boedua. Evelyn Boedua. Ah, no fair.
Yes.
No
fair.
Well,
I think say I was here to tune my ye.
Ya
can't want some can fi.
Fresh.
Abroso. Sika kakra bi no mu hia omunya kakra bi. Anya bi a $1 million bi a. Eke betimi a nyema bebrede amom.
$1 million farmer ma o Ghana.
26 million miles.
Fresh na moten nka no. What me do? Text message, WhatsApp message aba 0551 667755 0551 667755. Sanso na ko Facebook a obetuma drop a comment no. Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook obetumi ekwa all like page no. We share that things what drop a comment na YouTube and so no Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Sanso na Twitter so no obetumi follow him and so no at Okoman 971 at Okoman 971 Twitter and our friends on Instagram and so no follow him at Okoman 971 at Okoman 971 Instagram. I also know Eddie no but me say WhatsApp no any text message 0551 667755 0551 667755. Now so audio about Ragami
senior
my football as like his ladies and almost Ghana and Egypt and I think so no share even juvenile level in terms of women football. Niama say your football and I say you count the boy man a bit my football no so to imagine.
I some more. Senior ocean ma football main sad I say manu won hu ya to ngejeje mu enwene won hu and sometimes it saddens my heart so much because you're concentrating on member football over a long period of time and you'll the profit be okay what the African representation the last time Ghana represented Africa with reference to club and I say country okay, my club. Club will be yade. So well was 2000 across the folk. Dominated the whole of Africa. FIFA Esperance, so the likes of whoever Zamalek Numina, so projected the name of the country Ghana. Later, some winning confederation between Onekotoko and there was local derby. But from that time 2003 BC, what has clubs in the country done? Or with reference to projection of the name of the country. And then House of Folk or Champions League. They are trying their best. One end to me. One have back to confederation. But still no crown didn't know where. See, yeah, club level near the to North Americans in one as other part of Africa. Not African for one. You will say we are nowhere closer to them with reference to resources, materials, and everything. It is hard time say you will say no, say memani in Koya. We should look at other aspects, which is a man. Oko Abrochira, most of the European team, top teams, near one, a women team. Manchester City. Recently, even Champions League, right? It was Chelsea, and then Barcelona. Barcelona forms. Intimate edgy teams in say they should look at a man football. Pay attention to them. The talent is there. Oh, course, I've been in secondary school, basic to secondary school, training college, university. I've seen talent. But sometimes ebuabem say obabia bekraba be ka che so that dia me pese me bobo to boot mami oh ko ball akwan say wo so bobo ball Ghana now you be the highest you can go your security services police immigration soldier and asa but is that the best is that the highest we can go never until we need to we need to push more into women's soccer we need to invest more. We can even start from say, pitches are now Merriman Boston. They can let them play there across Sports Stadium. We should let them play. They can play Wednesdays, Thursdays. We should let them play. Yeah, mom, national publicity. So that in 5 in the Bebaso, I can say, oh, okay, In my crowd, Bobo, because believe you me, in Krofukwe and Nimpose and Mabobo. People don't even know about Hazakes ladies. People don't know. The team Hazakes and Ankasana and AM member team the way. Agu.
Hasma.
They didn't do anything. A year man on the credino. So what I say? Into people don't even know. It's hard time. You be man some bit of publicity. You more attention. You more much sleep with some of these national television. So that it will sensitize people. Microphone will say, oh, okay. So maybe I crab and not catch you so that in percent me bobola. It is never ever a crime. So what I say? Abu Fani the school kakra kan no bobola. There are so many places I'm Fani bit mako. It is hard time say be there. You be more national attention. I say you be more publicity. Munga who say yeah there is something going on. It is very good. Shazakes ladies. And I want him Ghana Franca or Africa. Ha square okodi esia no buy. Was yenka. But you can't take it away. And they are doing so well. First, Okonka Wafu. People thought say, oh, and Wafu Keke, Africa, Obeka Kushia Kukudam. He's prevailing. We're winning the first 2 matches. I'll qualify. What I say? It's hard time say we'll pay more attention to women's soccer. Young from secondary school. There are talent there. We should look at them, pick them, nurture them. Young mom, very good platform.
Equipment-wise. Some are they are traveling to Europe.
Yes.
I remember Robert Tisa signing one of our players. He I think France or so, Denmark, and also our players are moving. Oko America.
Yeah, you see, AK, there is something we don't know. When it comes to academic scholarship, women have better opportunity than men.
Sure.
We've been in it. We've seen people. Women have better opportunities. Academics, say we are exceptionally good at academics. You get it, and then you get good coaches, good pitches, good facilities to train with, and you see it will polish our players to come and later feed our national team. You see, take a country like China. China about male soccer no more. Even US, they didn't do anything. But no, male soccer is difficult for them to break. No, I'm shifting my attention to women's soccer. Now look at women's soccer in US.
Yes.
Look at women's soccer even in Canada. You see, so the so-called smaller countries now, they are not doing well in male soccer. I realize and said, no, they should channel their grievance and all their attention to women's soccer. And they are doing very well. They are prevailing.
South Korea, Japan.
That is it.
Sure.
Okay, but look at Ghana. Everything about us, male soccer, male soccer, male soccer. It's not doing anything good for us. It is hard times that we'll pay attention to women's soccer in the country. Young mom good pitches. Across posted young fan mount one more or so. Takra this posted young fan mount. Hazakas ladies or takradi. Hazakas ladies or takradi. So takra this posted at our day. It is wallowing. It is a dahokeke. Young fan mount one more prisons ladies Nadia Wakra. We should give them and then you showcase young mom some little bit of time. Now at least in Krofu Adjenimra once. Then it will change the face. I mean, sponsorship once. By this time, as we need 2 matches. Obia crank can one some year. One a team nama a team owner nani ni paka crabby feel. It is sad. It is sad. What else? Meanwhile, the players are Zakes lady. What produce you at the national team? So what else? In this time around, I'm coming expect a minister of sports crabba. Oh, okay. If not even the GFA, the ministry can do something in their own little way. Meaning, I am stand to be corrected. So when I be there, I don't know. It is not evidential. But the ministry can do something small. Say, if you know, Mufra way $10,000. It's enough to motivate them. These are some of the things we should be looking at.
Okay. I know, Kwame Amponsah Addi, Otena, Nintendo, me, I'm from Munji Bonum, you're ready, me over call Azakis ladies now. Alcohol trials or did overcall, we're good woman, you may get this and and let's invest in women's football. Na menim say we denga fasode abeden abefimu aba me ojidi me ano they are playing really well. What's your ball some of these male teams across Africa and to that level now only that this kind of performance and they are really doing well and they are baby I'll pick you one to form the black no because I can for ladies can hear the Black Queens and so has to represent the Black Stars has to represent the Black Stars. At least
Dakwa ladies. You bet me a selection
yes, very ladies more
Naibi. Cry is more times
very nice team.
More times that teams say do maybe semi-final or country more. Utumu say man that talent no mobi. By I can't hear my back you be yet better to now quemu. Now yet me a polish a man because of late we share your man to say now can one move echo outside baby. Ha of late almost no enche one tree a crown almost no crab a broom man the so because I think so more bois a man talking about from Dakuna ladies almost share teams no Hazakes ladies no I think so here push crabby now my boy my man so I then at me doom pempen so be ye can't a man footballers are ye be ball Ghana so team because you know draw by on my bay our country muha.
Okay. I na idea be a baza is a IFFHS. Almost say all-time Ghana men's gym team. Club of the Century, no. Almost on the about almost say all-time Ghana men's gym team. All-time Ghana men's. My mama ya mudi and son of a almost say goalkeeper no. Robert Mensah. On that post mo. Na I'm some corner 4-5-1 formation. You know, back four nini Koja Samoa or left back. That Koja Samoa. I'm not to left back. Ghana, your boy, you know, young one neighbor Pimani, you number 3, typical number 3, you Koja Samoa near the number 3. Right back, no, Emmanuel Fianza on our right back. Center pen in James Kukudazi, agent 4. And a 5 for no, Samuel Seku 4. I'm on a ball 4 and 5 for no, to be able to switch it. But I need 5 for no, and you know, midfield and the wings in the Mohamed Polo and a left wing and a right wing, you know, Ibrahim Sandi. Uban fit trainer, and I said, you know, yes, Karim Abdul Razak. And general Michael is in the boo, and I feel so no, Abedi Ayu Pele, and up front, you know, Tony Yabua. And I don't know at to up front. And you know, Robert Mensah imposed Emmanuel Fianza, right back, Dada Koja Samoa, left back, James Kukudazi, and I think so no Samo Kufuor, 4 and 5. And then you know, anymore Mohamed Polo, left wing, Samson right wing, you know, Ibrahim Sande, Michael is in the pool, Samson Karim Abdul Razak, Abedi Ayu Pele, and I think so no Emmanuel Tony Yabua, and so no anymore, just a champion striker. Adawo ehwe baby jet and you back on no pull to side the next in chain so that Steven Tornado appear enim we bisa Reverend Sekofi out and so no money on ya dwen
on a more serious note
I know your money
players now
international football Federation of History and Statistics.
You sure say will be nipa kakra bi na atenase na
I'm going to be Madrid. Say, you know, European Club of the Century. And African Club of the Century.
The truth of the matter is, I'm going to Angasa.
That's a man from Doubt.
Yes, that one there. Maybe you be wrong.
You see. 10 years, so as I say, you should be able to justify Adina. I just want me person or the Mami Fakotoko Club of the Century, whatever I should put aside. Over Madrid, okay, over some time. You cannot say me a star Man U fan, but you cannot say or talk about football without Madrid, with what they've done, with their pedigree, with the stuff they've done. Until so okay. Now choose Madrid over all other clubs in the world. You are not being sentimental. You are being factual because you look at the leagues they've won, the Champions Leagues, whatever Ballon d'Or, whatever. Madrid were top. Okay. Okay, Club of the Century Kotoko. You ask yourself, say, how within that 100 years or the century no Mukano, what did Kotoko achieve in that year? Based on that figures, facts being the back. You understand? No. Wait, there are some me can't entirely because there are some of the players I saw them play.
So there are some Robert Mensah in post.
I heard about him. I learned he was a great goalkeeper, but I never saw him play. It means can't. But in some I would say naturally say only you can't doubt.
Okay. Emmanuel Offensa.
I heard about him. Offensa I thought he was a centre back. No, he's a right back. But he said now, one of the hardest defenders. He was part of it. Offensa and
And also I can't really say my, but based on the ayete, you know.
The way Juma. Say you jumping so when you have a bonny idea who.
The offense and some ayete ne did not
jumping so much when you. That I could just someone left back.
Kojan someone doesn't come anywhere near.
Nan can hear so called.
There been a man who cry me who are certain Isaac Asari, Black Star. Don't go there. Left back.
Even Hansa do something.
Our time from World Cup 2006, but there is no left back better than Hansa.
There is never player on here natural left.
Left, yes,
no. There is never.
So to me,
there is never. There is never.
Even Harris Nafo is ahead of Kwaja Sama in terms of left back. Far. James Cook, who does he?
Yetini din pan. Dingna ni bit makasi yete. Once we were not there to authenticate say you know. So but we saw Sami Kufo play.
Sami Kufo.
Yes, and they had no doubt. But even with Sami Kufo there have been great players even Anthony Bafo and your ball like one Anthony Bafo boy you know Anthony Bafo ball those times who say yes. And yeah, Sami Kufo anyway. In France, at time now, a late European footballer, Basunti, only a chance and a coco boy and baby, you can the pedigree now. The to
and even former Hartlepool player, onto Bob Blackstar, same affinity. Oh, this all your analyst by GTV, Sonia Lee,
yeah, sir.
It was in the 90s. It was a centre back.
I'm Senegal. Those names are also those times, you know. Okay, the problem was that when and the football was basically local.
Yes.
So until they didn't have the opportunity of tasting Europe, now I can say okay, or pedigree or exposure, and you know, local. But we say Sami Kufo say, opportunity. Automatically, you cannot say
losing the Champions
that
League
is it. Coming back to win
it. No.
So you cannot talk about Ghanaian team without Sami Kufo.
Mohamed Polo, our left wing.
The dribbling magician. Yetenika. No, nidin kasama ne ho. Men who the day, but me or say Kofi interview, and everybody touches his name.
Ibrahim Sande, right wing.
Honestly, yetini min kan ho asem bebre.
Karim Abdul Razak.
Sir, the golden boy. Honestly, sir, what's in the dear go basa.
I think say squad our boy. Say Reverend was say you can't say Mohamed Polo. Our left and Sandy Ibrahim Sandy Umwa. I don't think say was say Reverend was say Kofi that squad.
I be an our bench. I bet the Pele.
But I bet the Pele babo. Okay, Ghana football there. Honestly speaking, it will be difficult. It will be difficult to take Pele out. Pele in any way, Pele be ball. Man, who Reverend will say Kofi no money had, but that bedi I saw even in Senegal 92. So I'm near mo Frank getting. Hey, I bet the ball. Until the woman he merit.
The boo, Michael Essien.
I merit. Well, the Essien of our time there anyway. And I make I say, you see, some of these it's very difficult to compare. Well, your opportunity
because
share.
Even Essien ahead of Chipsa.
No. Chipsa doesn't come anywhere near to Essien. And
because Essien go ball Chelsea. Are you looking at the team Essien boy?
I think foreigner Kwame Mututu and also Kaubi.
But Chipsa doesn't come anywhere near. Hey,
not looking at the
Chipsa not even closer to Wakasu with reference to Black Star.
Sure.
I'm telling you.
Chipsa to Wakasu.
No.
That be Chipsa.
I'm telling you.
Tony Yeboah. Now you're trying to
Tony Yeboah.
I would dream team. Tony
Yeboah, I would prefer Samuel Jan.
To you.
Tony Yeboah, Bobo, he had everything, but to me,
who called the English Premier League?
Yes. Nidin Woho, he had the pedigree, but with reference to the Black Star day, certain as Samuel Jan. We're proven who beyond all reasonable doubt say yes, a bar striking and everything. Even when we talk about the World Cup crown now over Africa, for now, he's the highest
top scorer
for Africa. So as a there, very credible. That to me.
Ochana prepare mu dream team na ochana boy mu dream team.
So when you can see dream team, we be nim here because that players here
in the last two decades.
But I think say aka yenya sa nkrofo ni bia. at least one new opportunity I share.
I will try and speak to probably Reverend Oseko.
Yes, and Kabebwa. I'm bet match. The one in the bet match. One will bet match because
squad we.
Yes, because who's the one they've had the opportunity of playing, watching them from that time.
Even you can't say striker. Striking no crowd. No benya there was this man used to be in Winneba. No cry highest top scorer before. I say we free.
Minimum Winneba me referee. Obobo Fakatano. Yes, Obobo Fakatano. I've forgotten his name and then yes.
I said Bibisa.
Yes, Bibisa Owusu. Yeah.
I'm for Ashegoso.
And you know, I know you're for. And I'm saying, where's the Okoman Radio? You are live and clear. Theophilus, Eddie Free, Safari Valley. I don't know, so no, Etimi, Eddie Abba, Abernako, Edibisi. But Blaster players, Bogus, and Afia say, and after them, no, another 15 players. And I report to our camp. 30 seconds.
I'm more friendly match.
No, I'm more friendly match. But my 2 minutes net here phone to me from them. 0551. 667755 0551 667755 0551 667755. Also wait my fraba na oba why in a quick 20 seconds na waka bibi dream team ya ba Samson Azakas ladies may obo ma so na bibi aso net ma fam e de amomo 0551 667755 and first na aka no
I think call up on the accounts and be because I share from my Boba. My players need to be on show because this young chap, yeah, 2 America for a guy, no, but I don't think so. Rumor for Krabi Jan Manaba because
Mammy Kwame so na me feel be hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Didn't you be afraid?
You're from Ransford. Fire.
Fire. Okay, fire. I need to hear you.
Yeah, can review about women's football. My favorite, then I'm saying Black Queens ball qualifiers. Even Hazardous ladies are more than crap. A player back who created Black Queens starting lineup. Into maybe a corrupt more. Into what my share. Because Hazardous ladies. Mushemodimba obo Egypt. Watch wa 3-3-3. Nas yebe free national team. Nas ye nya one player kula woman. Boss, ayaro. Nedamatu.
Yeah, so I say I know fire. Anna, Oten and Canos, Ubetimi Asa Fraba 0551 667755 0551 667755 na yena yenko first for honest.
Take ye hwe no say boys no Ghana ye nyina nim ye si eni so because coach yi bae ye mu bebre e kan say adwuma no emre bi atwam ano no coach the Black Stars of Ghana no enye no ne ene now football asesa by watimi a cherry bi kakra na matches mienu a wabo ni nyina watimi a wini ni nyina de amai and ye hwe no say akatu obe ne preko de amai. But my problem back on party answer guy need to be my bino. Betimi high and kakra. But all they say, I think say was say yet to near my send a bay betimi a winnie a game against South Africa near to us or Ethiopia. Aqua show Monseki.
Okay, no, say Yawadan, you be doing come watch and Yawadana Yawada 1 p.m. and as I give on so about but every I mean come for Don Pablo Pub and Famao. Say no onipede say meka je say aduane yediko yi mu no da no na senior ka wa o say aduane yediko yi nipadua ni mu no ehu hia enti wadidi na wahwe ne ye enti no Don Pablo Pap de ne no niama ho asoto de aba ene no shake you know juice no or the different aba ene no owo strawberry shake and the strawberry no unya bi nto market eni no ra ene no the shake aba ukopia on Don Pablo Papa also sa ebetimi akabi sanso na banana shake kwadu no se na da no senior kind o se kwadu ama energy ahoden entene no mo ya krakra mo ye team na mo players no mo pe energy dia mama ubenya banana shake bia uja touchline oboka kra de gun mabosa ahoden na pa na no so aye ne den anu bia na ewie mabobo a mesi a me ho aye me din ma sanka banana shake ni bi sanso na yo mango shake yes fruit no ye wo no umpe banana mango ho yo mango shake enso ho sanso na ene no ye wo snow white shake and also your carrot what's the carrot on my vision ma wonu su da ho ma ho nie enti obu a ne we no ne sekra ne ya kaka e wono ontumi enwe wa bere wa ofia ontumi kware carrot enti o ma na carrot shake na juice na obetuma nom na no side akọ system no na abere wa enu sa da onye fi na eyi minse da hu menu sa musibisi da bi abrabo ye ko 22 ye pesa abrabo no enti o ma no saka carrot shake ni bi e o Don Pablo Paba bibi anso no ebetimi I fine sounds like your carrot and banana shake yes blending no akoso that is a combination carrot and banana shake yaka e dey afra na ni ye shake no e dey ma obo a obo musa won unya won na woni so e dey e da wo bibi a clear bibi a dem sounds na hey fresh oh ya bado ye wo mixed fruit shake there's a fruit no e bia de kwadu kakra e de kutu kakra e de abroba kakra ana ne yara fra na e shake and also won so ebumanu mo de ntino ya so na ni nyina de afra ana afin soro ye wo mango carrot and ginger shake yes akeke duro de bema de akeke duro ko ni pedum what I say it akeke duro no ana ye da fra mango no ana carrot no yes ubati flavor what flavor wom enti kuka no duro no ko ni pedum no e fa ntini mu a so wan ye oji na je say amode a den enso no etmeba ana afi so no tie we me favorite me die ni we no virgin snow white shake virgin snow white shake we can fu asre sa if we are virgin snow white shake no ehun hia enti no Don Pablo Pub omo ma me to omo ka de omo ma me tinka virgin snow white shake no eno na me pe virgin snow white shake ano okwa bibia be na enye shakes no kwa na yeto gesan wine na aso your Spanish wine, Italian wine, South African wine. Ninya ye to me e shop wa o piem Don Pablo Paba. Also onsa ebe to me akabe. Sanso ne omo your home service. Say ne utifie wani aha ombeso obe pie kura na. O Fred Don Pablo say oh Don, me ya virgin snow white shake ibi. O say sir, na 2 minutes. Yeah bro. So I say entino Don me so e Mezumi ya snow white shake ni bi ewa ha o ma me tene nka wiei me sori ana je say obere saka me pia no de amame na bibia so na fine entino owo Mandela Junction ekropo ya Mandela Junction udu ekropo na bisa Mandela Junction akwara be de ebe kire udu wa say shop no kakraka esiwo na atwere nim Don Pablo pub and also ebo ho no ma open shakes wines ahodo champagne ni ya yetombi ewo sanso na wasan bie branch ba kom ewo Kropon Christ Presby Junction Kropon Christ Presby Junction udu won so a wo say Don Pablo Pub and so ewo ha any shakes no wasan ka bi virgin snow white shake eme de pa if we are onyan bi asape entino mama mu bi abro na bi fine entino about my friend Don Pablo Pub and so no ewo 0557 734 882 0557 734 882 and I said 0552 302 607 0552 302 607 intene akosia of akosia answer me hu se obepe virgin no virgin snow white shake ro bepe na lisanso no mama no mango shake no Nebia mabana betima man banana mabana man carrot na niso nda kakra no so gift dia mama no banana na bibia fine but ene Okoman radio mpany for me fan to dwa echemu se na Don Pablo aba meti amaye me ho deden dia me bo hu dawru yi a obi ati am otu aguso a Don Pablo Paba yi unso udi unjuma bi o ton ade amanfo nte wonka obesa amanfo nte wonka mepiemu Okoman radio na afin so ye mo dawru enso enfa me se uton togbe uton gari uton beans dokono ana abese bo hu dawru a ya se brighten the corner where you are enti bebia wo no ma amanfo nte wonka sa wonso wo ho na afin so wonso atumi adujuma na bibia atuma kwanim se no ye ensore ankura suku awodo nyina wotumi ba we bo hu de oze
adwumafo ni bi wo ha bibi o mu de sha baifo
bra ne mo hu de na amanfo o tu fi mo de
oni time wo ho
bra Okoman radio
ben wa ha
mu ba ko pe amafo betu
aguso ben wa ha
omo bra Entino sorry schools ne company si ye wi odwere ye na be ebi obu achichiri ne obu achichiri onse na nte se bi obu sani ko ensa abode na be manente na no so mra me bonsa enti o be piem e wo Okoman radio kakra bi me so oba oso no de dwumadi a wudi no de ba yetena se na afi ye no akonsese oso no de package no ho obi abeka ne de both fruit for tabe come de sorry school for ene ye social announcement obi bi na no akwa wallet yire yi yebo mu mana oba ya say wallet no kire o say one city na chim is okay ni je bako o den wallet ko sort ya say ni nyina no ade ye e wa ha nti Okoman radio oba ene obetena se na afi so ye di nkomo restaurant ne bars no momra na afi ye yan hyehyɛ sa so na corporate institutions na ade boba e be di dwuma no ama dwuma no so etime IF Lisa bra ne bo de ro bra ne bo de ro so ade bia na move fam ejai e botuma for Okoman radio mpanyifo 0246 435 565 0246 435 565 oba ye no betena se na fin so ye tume di dwuma na odwuma die na wudi no ne awton no so no amafo aton ka na afaso de enso no etimi aba ohum enti no madaroma ana di dwuma die na ba ye mfansi etena ye betena se na fin so ye tumi adi nkomo ofie papa the fresh o tene ka san so ne no bra Kwame Amponsah senior top defender na nei na fitness no from down the bo we wa bless and no sound executive producer we are confiance ba for ebo mechidom Nana Kwame Amponsah the finest and so no ebo mechidom am heading 7 by HOD and you know Nana Kofi Okorajman producer extraordinaire as she say juma no ama no so etimi ba me say nkra ne de memfa ema no ewo me ho sound so na the writer commentator Kurawi. The story be fresh story the story in baba and also at the local stories by DJ Tony, DJ Zigibi and so a boy some producers ama some nyina yetumi e de ba. Medin ene Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi obetumi afreme AK. Yakọ amepa e chena 1 pm. Yesa betena se na fin so no yedi nkomo. Muchum.
Will it speak? In a gojo grabajo. Bajo. In a gojo gra. Je bankuda de. Muhammad Ali bumuma ye. Macho man one chida de. Akesola sheku mo cafe. Ugemi go living on the mortgage. Ake changa fe no be it.
Me amini all this year run away. I am my life say me ye galam say. My old day now be me away. Me de me ye ti be twa ugule. We ni beji and ye check ule.